Hi, this is Ansu watching Mr. Hans channel on YouTube. In this video, we're gonna learn about the HTML list for the ordered and HTML list for the unordered. Okay, so let's start it. First of all, HTML starting tag, body starting tag, and for the heading you can add anything as you want. Here I am writing here HTML list, and the next we have ordered list. For the ordered list OL, you are writing here for the list this tag you can see li and between ans, and next for example ans 2. So in the list we have two identities. Next we are closing our order list, and next we are closing our body, and next we are closing our HTML. Okay, so next we have unordered. In the unordered, one thing is you have to write here ul, not ol. Okay, and this is the same li. So we are closing our unordered list, and then body tag and HTML tag. So let's copy this whole code. First we are making this, copying it, going for the notepad, dot html, save it. And next we have here you can see for the order list. So for the unordered list, just change that code, copy it, paste it here, save it. Refresh it. Here you can see the difference in the ordered and unordered. That in the ordered you have we saw here 1 2, and in unordered we are seeing here just dot. So we are again going for our code. So gonna see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye for now.